In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume of your laptop speakers. So if you've already set the loudness of your speakers to 100% and the laptop's still too quiet, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to increase the volume. Now, the first step is just to head over to your Start menu and search for Control Panel, and then you need to click on the Control Panel window. From the top right-hand side, make sure View By is set to Large Icons, and then we need to select Sound. Make sure you have the Playback tab selected at the top, and then locate your default speakers from the list of devices. So mine are these laptop speakers over here, and we're just going to right click on these, click on Properties, and then you need to select Enhancements. Now, if you don't see this Enhancements tab, then don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get this to appear in 1 second. But if you do see the Enhancements tab, then what you need to do is make sure Disable All Enhancements is unchecked like this, and then you're just going to click on Loudness Equalization and press Apply and OK. And once you've done that, your laptop speakers will now be much louder. So if you don't see the Enhancements tab at the top here, then what you'll need to do is head over to the Start menu on your computer, search for Device Manager and click on this. From the list of options, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, and then you need to right click on the Realtek audio device. Click on Update Driver, press Browse My Computer for drivers, and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Make sure to select this one here, High Definition Audio Device, go and press Next, and then you can just go and press Yes again. Now once you've done this, you'll then need to restart your computer, and once your computer has been restarted, you can head back over to your Control Panel, click back on Sound, right click again on your speakers and click on Properties, and the Enhancements tab should now be visible, and you can select Loudness Equalization. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.